Welcome to my channel. In this video we will try to repair this remote control. It's for my gate motor. It has a mechanical problem, as we can see here. The plastic broke and it cannot hold in its place. It will fall. I will open the remote. We will try to make a repair. So it has one screw. And we use it come off easily. So we have here the PCB, the 12-volt battery. Now we will add a metallic wire to replace this plastic. I will cut those plastic. This one is already broken. Now I will cut a small wire. It's a rigid wire. We will cut this length. It will be a quick repair. Now I will cut this piece of wire. We will bend we'll make a bend from the two sides. I will cut a little bit here. Now we will put a little drop of glue here. I will use my soldering iron to push this wire in the groove here. And we will secure it with this acetate glue. We will make here a little groove so the wire can sit properly there. Now we will glue the two sides. Wait until the glue solidify in order not to glue the two parts together. Its model is BFT. Before closing the remote control, I will put some hot glue here in order to close those holes for programming. They are made to program the remote control in the factory. So I will close them with hot glue in order to enhance the index of protection to prevent the humidity from entering inside. I will remove the excess. It must be flush here. Now I will close the case. Now it's closed properly. This metallic part will be stronger than the plastic one. Now we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.